Well, it's a special day in the Jill for Today kitchen. We are doing a cocktail because we like to have cocktail hour. Not every night, but you know, we like our little cocktails with a little snack about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So today I am making something that sounds extremely exotic, but it's very simple to make, and it is called, because I can't pronounce it, hit it.
Boulevardier.
Do it again.
Boulevardier.
Yes, that's what I'm fixing here. It's a delicious drink. We've had this one a couple times and it's just primo. Okay, so here's my shaker right there, nice little shaker. This is an OXO, and I know you all know how crazy I am about OXO products. So that is an OXO, and I'm putting in 3 ounces of whiskey here. This, I'm using Bullet. It's a bourbon whiskey. So that's 2. Oh, I'm just gonna get that one. Is that, oh heck. There we go. We're gonna empty that bottle up. Okay. And then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons, or excuse me, oh yeah, that's right, I'm right. 2 ounces of sweet vermouth. Now, you know, if you say, well, I don't wanna buy big bottles of this stuff, chances are, you know, they make the little bottles. You probably could go to your liquor store and they would have the little bottles. Okay, that is some sweet vermouth. And then I have some Campari. And all of these have their own unique little flavor. And I'm going to put 2 ounces of that in there as well. Oh, look at that color. Isn't that beautiful? See, that's very rosy. This is the sweet Campari. Or excuse me, sweet, yeah, this is the Campari. Okay. Now I'm going to add some ice cubes to this. And I'm going to give this a super, super good shake. And once I think I've got it shaken up well enough, we'll bring it back. Whew. That is cold. Look at that ice. All right, so now we're going to, yeah, there we go. Just trying to remember. This is the new shaker we got. All right, and I've got my beautiful little, what kind of glasses are these? Coupe. I'm gonna pour some of that in there. Make it even Steven here. Oh boy, doesn't it look delicious? It is. It's just, you know, well, the bourbon kind of, don't you think the bourbon kind of, or whiskey kind of tamps down that sweetness, Director? A little bit?
I don't know.
Okay, we're going to find out.
It's a lot of booze.
It is a lot of booze. And I'm going to do a little, let me move this aside here. This is just a lemon twist. Get a couple of those of my, if you wanted to get real official, they make that kind of thing at the liquor store you can buy. And oops, well, we're going to do this instead. We'll do this one. I'll pull that one out. Just kind of give it a little twist over, and it gets that zest from the lemon. Now, we're going to have a sip of this. There you go, Director. Grab a hold of that. You got it? I want to bring this up so they can see my reaction to this drink. All right, here we go.
Asante.
Ching ching. Woo! Damn fine drink. That damn fine drink.
Tasty.
It's delicious. Anyway, I'll put the recipe down below. And as I said, if you don't want to buy like whole bottles of this, the liquor store certainly will have those little guys that you could buy and enjoy this drink as well. It's good. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Okay, you get 2 thumbs up here at the Jill for Today bar. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.